We got the first of our 2 lips. So this one is actually going to go on Corey's car. This one's just a fiberglass one. Mine's a carbon fiber one. That's coming up next. But I want to take a look at this thing. I'm really excited to see what they look like. Hey, dude, we need that.
Now I know how parents feel on Christmas watching their kid open a present. Like, you're taking too long. Oh, that's nice.
That is nice.
Dude, let me get a little up close on this thing.
Thumbprint on it already?
I'll do like them auto detailers. They're like,
yeah,
like that. It's like,
it's really cool because the CTS-Vs have like these stock little bumper protectors on them. So you just take them off, and this uses the same location as those. It's just a more pronounced lip. And the boy who's 4 is right there. Look at that thing, dude.
What's Santa bring?
They even have these little like rubber isolators on the tabs to mount it.
that's nice. You must have done something right. Fat Man was nice to you.
That's what it looks like.
As you can see, the factory V comes with these little side splitters, and they definitely take some abuse if you drive hard, but the splitter actually just goes in place of where those mount. So we're just going to remove those and put the splitter in place of those. So we're going to show you to take those off right now. So this V, a little bit beat up, but you can see it's got these plastic push pin retainers. There's a bolt over there, a bolt on this side as well. It's supposed to be, but the new lip will go in place of where those are. So we're going to remove these and kind of go over it outside of the car so you can see more so what we're doing to take it off. So have a trim tool. We're just going to pop those out. I can't do this one-handed. Just in case these are lost or whatever, Extreme Online Store does send you hardware that you can use to replace it. But now that everything's removed, we're going to slide it straight out. So now we can put the lip on. What we're going to do actually is put the carbon one on just to see what it looks like without the tape. And then when we put the black one on, we'll actually put the 3M VHB just to make sure that the lip stays on the car. This thing is so pretty. I'm afraid to mess this thing up.
I think it goes behind that first one. Yeah.
It's fine.
Snapped in there good.
Oh my god. That's no hardware. No hardware, and it's just hanging out in there. Then all you have to worry about is ruining your really nice front splitter, but man, that thing's not going anywhere. You could drive down the road with no clips in it, it would stay in. So I'm pumped on that. Let's get some clips in it and see how it works. So now we're going to put this gloss black fiberglass one on Corey's car. It comes with the tape, so we put a strip of it on this just to hold it to the bumper a little bit better. But honestly, after the fitment of that carbon one, I don't think there's much need for it in any other places. I mean, it was holding itself in fine, so we're just going to use this to hold the bumper up to it so that it doesn't flap in between and it actually, fills in that seam. But that's all we want to use on this. You can use more on the tabs if you want to hold it in. You just have to make sure that you don't peel it before you get in there because it's such a tight fit. You don't want to have this peeled. It sticks to everything when you stick stuff together. So what I would do if I were going to do that is probably just put it along this front edge and then only peel it off after you slide it in there. But I mean, we'll show you that it's not very necessary. So we're just gonna stick with this. Like I said, they send you the screws and stuff, but we have the factory retaining clips, so we're gonna use those, and we're just gonna use this little bit at the front. So let's put it on. So we're just gonna leave this little edge peeled right here so that we can get to it when we install it. But that's all we're gonna do for this. And we're gonna jam it in there right now and see how it fits. So it's all secured, and now what we're gonna do is just pull this double-sided tape string out here. Oop, can you give me a little lift in the center? Thank you. Just gonna stick it down where it goes. Well, what do you think?
I dig it.
Do you?
Good shit.
I think you need a new front bumper now.
Yeah. And a hood. Or just repaint.
Dude, maybe we'll get the vented hood from Extreme Online Store too for you.
Ooh, that'd be cool.
Yeah, ballin'. I think it looks good. That went on amazing. How long do you think it's gonna last?
At least a year.
Do you think?
Yeah,
Well, honestly, there's not that much to that install, but I mean, genuinely surprised at how well it's snapped in there and holds itself in there. The fasteners are kind of just for alignment. The sun's very bright. Sorry about that. That's not good. But I think it really changes the look of the car. It's sick. I'm excited to put the carbon one on the drift wagon, and I'm excited to have pictures of the drift wagon ready for you guys. But yeah, dude, Extreme Online Store, super reasonably priced for that, for how gnarly of a front lip it is. So go check them out.